In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide and unhide conversations in Google Chat. Whether you're trying to tidy up your chat list or just want some conversations out of immediate sight, this simple process will help you easily manage your chats. Let's get started. First, you need to open Google Chat. You can do this in a couple of ways, either by going directly to chat.google.com or by using Google Chat within Gmail. Just choose the method you find most convenient. Once you're in Google Chat, you'll want to navigate to the left sidebar where all your active conversations and spaces are listed. This is where you can see everything at a glance. Take a moment to locate the chat or space you want to hide. This could be a one-on-one conversation or a group chat. Next, move your cursor over the conversation you've picked out. You'll notice 3 vertical dots appearing on the right. This is the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on those dots. A drop-down menu will appear with several options, and from those options, you want to select Hide Conversation. Once you've done that, you'll notice that the conversation disappears from your main chat list. It's like giving your chat list a little declutter. Don't worry though, this doesn't mean the chat is gone for good. All the messages will still come through as usual, but the conversation won't be visible on the sidebar anymore unless you actively go looking for it. Now, what happens if you want to find that conversation again? Well, it's just as simple. To unhide a conversation, use the search bar located at the top of Google Chat. Just type in the name of the person or space you want to bring back into view. You'll see the conversation pop up in the search results. Click on it, and just like that, it will reappear in your chat list on the left sidebar. Once opened, it stays visible in your main chat list, so you won't have to go through the search process again unless you choose to hide it once more. This process is perfect for keeping your chats organized and helps you stay focused on what's important without the distraction of less urgent conversations. Now you can keep your chat sidebar as uncluttered or as detailed as you need. You've learned how to hide and unhide chats in Google Chat, giving you more control over your online interactions. Thanks for watching and happy chatting!